Are you sure this is okay?
You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay?
All right.
All right, guys. I know a lot of people get frustrated because they don't have an impact wrench. I do have an impact wrench. I know a lot of you guys just try to get along. You got your 50cc scooter, you got your cover off. They told you need to replace your Bendix clutch, but you're like, man, how am I gonna get these off without an impact wrench? They just spin, I can't put a wrench on it. I can't get it. So your Bendix clutch is here. I'm gonna show you that you can take this out and put it in by hand without having to remove all this stuff. It's a little frustrating and sometimes it takes a little time, but all you do is pull up at an angle and you angle it and you just pop it out, just like that. Every 50cc scooter that is a 4-stroke GY6 version has always been able to do that. Always. It's just pull out, angle it, and then give a little tug and it comes out. Now getting it back in normally is not as easy. That can be a frustrating task. You gotta like mess with it quite a bit and get it to go back in, but all of a sudden you'll just be kind of moving it around. It'll just fall right in just like that. Boom. So it is possible to take the Bendix out without removing all this. Now I have the proper tools, so for me it'd be easy just to pull the variator nut, pop it off, ping ping, you know, and do it properly. But if you don't have the proper tools to do it, that's the easiest way to remove the Bendix clutch by hand. Every single GY6 139 QMB engine that I've worked on has been the exact same way with the Bendix clutch. It's really easy to get it out by hand. It can just be a little frustrating to twist and turn and all that good stuff. So there you go. Hope that helps. Thanks for joining me on this Fix It episode. And don't forget to smash that subscription button, man. I'll be showing you guys how to do a lot of work to these scooters in case you ever considered getting one. They're totally worth it. They're a lot of fun. They're very easy to work on. The parts are extremely cheap and they're great transportation. Great transportation, man. It's crazy.
Awesome! It's like a dream! It's like a dream!